Here's your December roundup of 10 unique and trending products to sell right now. We found these by scanning millions of signals across the internet that help us predict products before they actually blow up. So let's get going. This is a product I've been waiting for my entire adult life. The rechargeable sconce. Say you want to add some high-class lighting to your apartment or your home, but you're renting and you're not exactly the building type. These you can attach to your wall. They come with battery-powered and remote-controlled light bulbs. There might be a handful of videos on TikTok for this one, but only about 5,000 people are searching for this one every month. But if you want to sell it in 2026, act now because that number of people is growing by 8,500%. As for demographics, this one is perfect for renters, apartment dwellers, or anybody who just sucks at building stuff like me. If you want to market this one, just make sure that you show the installation process on camera so people can see how easy it really is. Make sure you're also showing the different design options so that people know they can customize it to their own design taste. Product number 2 is perfect for anybody with a green thumb. The Sensor Garden Kit. This guy has little sensors that give you info about moisture levels, temperature, light, and soil fertility. If you never buy plants because you know you're going to kill them, this is the product for you. And considering how many people there are like that, it's a big market. The number of people searching for this one is growing over 4,000%, so make sure that you jump on this one now. As for your target demographic, you're going to sell this one to people who have a lot of plants, people who travel frequently, or people like my friend Jesse, who treats his plants like human children. If you are selling this one, make sure that you show how easy it is to set up, show the insights that actually help you keep your plants alive, and I guarantee you this one is going to fly off the shelves in 2026. Next up is a fun little headband that can apparently measure your brain activity. Let's talk about the EEG Headband. It uses EEG tech to analyze brain electrical signals. It's pretty cool. It can give you a peek into what's going on inside your head and even stimulate your brain with sounds to help you relax or fall asleep. Under 3,000 people are searching for this one every month, but that number is growing by over 614%. So why is this one set to blow up in 2026? People are looking for healthier, more natural ways to help them relax and fall asleep that doesn't involve popping a Xanny. We've seen loads of other trending products in this niche too, things like ergonomic pillows, sleep gummies, weighted eye masks, magnesium lotion. There is a ton of products like this blowing up. As for your target demographic, this one is perfect for that insomniac in your life who likes to stay away from pharmaceuticals. If you're looking for a gift or a product to sell to those tech-savvy kids in your life who have a bright future in coding, this one is perfect. Let's talk about the coding robot. It's a learning robot that lets kids control movements and behavior using these block-based commands. They're a fun, interactive way to teach STEM and computer science skills from a young age. Now, these are seeing slow and steady growth, but trust me when I say these are the future. According to the US Bureau of Labor Stats, data scientists are one of the most promising careers over the next 10 years. These are perfect for those left-brain kids who love tech and gaming, so make sure you sell this one now to stay ahead of your competition in 2026. This next one you're going to sell to the coffee lovers. It's a smart coffee scale. You can measure your coffee beans with crazy accuracy. These are for those bougie coffee drinkers in your life, the people who spray their beans, measure everything, and take 45 minutes to make a single shot of espresso. Just because they seem like overkill to people like me who love a good cup of diner coffee, it doesn't mean they're a waste of money. The build quality, the attention to detail make these a perfect addition to that next level coffee nook. The searches per month are super low, but growing really quickly. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you start selling this one today. Now, if you are going to sell this product and you are not the target demographic, make sure that you send it to somebody who is. In this case, it's better to find somebody who has all this coffee equipment and no video experience than vice versa. A short video shot list with a smartphone is much easier to teach than it is for you to buy $5,000 worth of coffee paraphernalia. Next up, we've got the smart humidifier diffuser. These are humidifiers that also disperse essential oils, so you can get rid of that winter dryness while also giving your home that calming scent. There's not much else I can say except for that this one is seeing steady growth even though the search volume is super low. For demographics, it's perfect for anybody who lives in a dry climate, like my sister. The last time I visited her in Denver, I woke up without a single drop of moisture in my entire body. If you are selling this one, make sure you're showing the form factor, the design, in an already well-designed space. It's an aspirational product sell, meaning people want the benefits, but they also want it to look different than the rest of these generic humidifiers. The next product you're going to sell to anybody who hates vacuuming or mopping. So I guess everybody. So everybody but my mom. This is the Auto Empty Robot Vacuum. Now we all love a robot vacuum, but this one takes it a step further and empties itself. Many of these can now vacuum, steam, refill, dump their waste, and recharge themselves, meaning that you can just sit back and do nothing. These are growing at a rate of 500% per year right now. So as they get more accessible, a little less expensive, this is going to be a huge boom. With the number of smart and automated homeware products just booming, this one's not just a flash in the pan, it's a small part in a huge wave of trending products. It's a perfect gift or a sell to anybody who works long hours, especially people who work in tech. I say this because you can hook it up to your Google Home, your Alexa, and control the cleaning of your house just with voice commands. Product number 8. If you sell smart home devices, this one is for you. Let's talk about the Fingerprint door lock. These are easy to install and set up in your home, and they're app and fingerprint controlled. I assume these were mainly for home security, but this woman is talking about locking up holiday gifts. That actually makes sense though. When I was 12, I taught my friend Paul how to get into the secure closet where his Christmas gifts were just by unscrewing the latch that the lock was attached to. On a more serious note, as cybersecurity and home invasion and robbery threats grow, products like this are going to see huge growth in 2026. These are already seeing really strong growth at 182% in the last couple years alone. For demographics, you're going to sell this one to homeowners, apartment dwellers in big cities. And remember, if you are selling this one, make sure that your ads show how easy it is to set up. That's going to be your biggest objection. All right, product number 9. You can't put a price on keeping your home safe, but this product does exactly that. Let's talk about the window sensor. It is exactly what it sounds like, a small sensor you place on your windows that will send alerts if it's opened. You can buy a bunch of them, control them in an app, and label different sensors for different rooms or different windows. You're going to want to sell these to homeowners with kids, apartment dwellers in big cities. People are using them in super creative ways. They're putting them on fridges to send you alerts if you accidentally leave your fridge open. This one is seeing steady growth, but it's a content-driven product, meaning the more creative ways people find to use the product, the better it's going to sell. And that's why this product is poised to make huge money in 2026. Product 10, last up for today, we've got a really cool next-gen smart home product, the Thread Dimmer. These are next-gen dimmers that use the Thread wireless protocol, which basically means it doesn't have to communicate with a home hub. Your switch is connected directly to the device without a middleman. The way it used to be when me and my friend set up our first smart home setup in an apartment was we'd connect all these devices to one hub, and then we would control that hub from an app. But these devices work directly with the actual appliance. The growth may not look huge, but trust me when I say this is the future of all smart home devices. The standards are changing for light switches, blending them with home decor and creating this limitless customization. If you do sell or you want to sell homeware products and smart home products, stay tuned. We've got a ton more of these to go through. That is all for right now, but we have got loads more cutting edge, about to blow up products that you are going to want to see. So make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these products in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.